Macaroni boat, let's go. I've already washed, cut, and cleaned my chicken back. Now it's time to season. Maggi all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, Scotch bonnet powder, onion powder, garlic powder, curry powder, pimento marinade, this smells so good. We're gonna give this a good mix. You can allow this to marinate overnight or however long you got time to marinate it, or you could cook this right away. You can go ahead and season with your favorite season. I'm just gonna use salt and pepper. Yes, just salt and black pepper. Make we go fry them up outside. Fish done. Gonna fry up some green plantain. Breadfruit. I already add oil to the pot. I'm gonna add the curry powder. After 20 minutes, garlic, onion, sweet pepper, ginger, pimento seed, scallion and thyme and Scotch bonnet pepper. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is gonna take the flavor up to a notch. The flavor will turn up to a notch now. Okay. Pimento berries, carrot, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, vinegar, this will probably take you like 3 to 5 minutes. to balance out the flavor and the acidity. So we're just gonna cut the heat off. See? Because you still want this to be nice and crunchy. Oh, smells so good. Never gets old. Smells so good. And that's about it, guys. We're done. Look on the chicken back. Look on the gravy, man. Tell me where you have this with right now. For the meat tender till it fall off. Tell me where you have this with right now. Some rice or some ground food. I'm gonna plate this up right now because I can't wait to eat. Beautiful. We got our chicken back. Add some white rice. Okay. We also got boiled food if you want to skip the plantain and the rice. We got boiled dumpling, pumpkin dumpling, and yellow yam. Okay? So good. So good. If you reached this far into the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also leave me a comment down below. And what would you have first if you were having this? Which one would you start with first? Or what would you have with this? Also gonna leave the ingredients and the recipe down in the description box so you could go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. See you in my next one. I'm not gonna do a taste test today because I made this for someone special. Bye guys.